if g of x is 2x minus 3, h of x is negative 4x plus 3, and we had that g of y is equal h of y, what is value of y? So we have given two functions, and what else? We have that g of y and h of y are equal. So we need to find value of g of y and h of y. So let me do this first. We have g of y is equal. We have to go to formula of our g function. And what we have to do, we have given that g of x is 2x minus 7. Now we have to find g of y. It means we have to substitute every x in our equation by y. So 2 we copy, x we substitute by y, and we copy negative 3. We have value of our function for g of y. The same we have to do with h function. We have to find h of y. It means we have to substitute x by y. So negative 4 we copy, x we substitute by y, plus 3 we copy. And what else we have? That g of y is equal h of y. Let me write this. G of y is equal h of y. And we have to find for what value of y. So now we will substitute left side by equation of our function and right side by h function. So this is negative 4 y, of course, plus 3. What next? I will move, we have equation with one unknown. I will move expressions with y to the left and numbers to the right. So we have 2y, negative 4y to the left, so will be positive 4y is equal 3, negative 3 to the right, so will be positive 3. 4y plus 6, 2y plus 4y is 6y is equal 6. Now we will divide both sides by 6 because we have multiplication here, so we can do this. 6 and 6 will reduce, and we have that y is equal 6 divided by 6 is 1. We found that for y equals 1, our function g of y is equal h of y. This is my solution.